Okay guys, so today my sister and I we're gonna go get chicken. So I decided to vlog because what's more fun than getting chicken? So I want you guys to see how I kind of get ready and do all my stuff. I'm gonna go in with this glow toxic oil. Because of COVID, we haven't been able to do anything, so this is doing something. And I'm actually gonna wear some makeup for like once, a blue moon. I actually suck at putting this on. My makeup routine now is just like dab it on and go. Before I was like layers of this, layers of that. Now I'm just like, I don't care. Okay, so the whole time I did not know that my little brother was in the washroom while I was vlogging, and he's, well, I don't know what he's doing, but it's kind of awkward. So yeah, I just basically pat everything in. I'll go in with some blush just to be a little fancy today, because why not? Honestly, it's also 100 degrees outside. I don't know why I'm wearing a sweater. I just like to keep everything covered because COVID got your girl looking a little chunky. Maybe not a little, maybe a lot. That's basically it. Like, I get lazy after this. The idea of putting on like mascara, all that good stuff. So let me do my hair. So long. I also don't like to leave my hair down because, like, what? Hi, Miriam.
Hi.
This is my chicken partner for the day.
Yes.
We're gonna go get chicken.
Chicken. I know. We had somewhere else to go.
Okay. Don't look at this Draco Malfoy hair. Wait, how do I switch the camera? Okay, I'll just go do this.
Okay, I'll make it work.
Wow, wow. White Fox Couture, please sponsor her.
I know. Okay, I'll be downstairs.
Okay. Go get chicken today. Chicken. Okay guys, I've also been trying to drink like a lot of water because just water is good for you. So I have this. It's green because it's like leftover chlorophyll. That is gross, but it is my water and I'm gonna drink it, so let's go. I hate drinking water. I don't know why I hate drinking water. I can drink any type of juice, any type of Coke. I just hate water. Okay, I did half, so when I get home, I'll do another half. This is like the one time I've looked cute during COVID. Okay, what else do I need? Is anybody else like me where like you like when you're getting ready, you have to like scour everywhere and just see like what you need, what you don't need. You end up going outside to the car, you forget something, come back in. I think it's just me. Oh, by the way, I know I got really crusty lips. That's why I'm drinking more water, you know? So let me just put on some chapstick. Okay guys, we finally left the house, like, finally. Do I really?
I didn't put on any makeup. Are you wearing makeup?
Just a little bit of blush, a little bit of foundation. I can't believe I'm so excited to go out and get chicken. I think I'm just excited to go out and get something.
Hi there, can I have a small and a medium ice cap?
Small and medium?
Yeah, can the medium be made with almond milk?
Oh, we don't carry almond milk.
Oh, you don't? Do you have like any type of like alternative milk choices or no?
No.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Here.
So just you want to with cream or just milk?
No cream, like the regular way you make it is fine.
Milk is fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Pretty. Okay.
Come on, brother.
Come on, guys. You. No texting and walking in a parking lot. Aw. Okay, guys, we are at Wally Mart. So guys, Miriam's making pasta today. Her famous TikTok pasta, which we all love. And tomorrow I'm making teriyaki. I think herb and garlic for pasta is like the best. Yeah, I don't want apple and maple.
Yeah, you're right. It is fine.
Ooh, or balsamic. Okay. They have the dark one? Yeah, I think the light ones are the perfect ones. Okay. We've got the Nutella. Nice, nice, nice. We did not have enough money and we did not budget this. Guys, we're quickly checking the mail because I'm pretty sure Miriam has some clothing packaging.
I ordered some jewelry.
Girl, your jewelry came in. Yeah. Let me show you. Nah, it's just mail. Okay, we're home now, but I realized the whole time I was saying we're going to Walmart to get chicken, and it was actually beef. We get no chicken, we got beef. I feel like we need a bigger pot, no?
That's why we don't cook.
Yeah, this is why we don't cook. We're just made to. Yeah. Okay. Let's just. I'm on pasta duty, so I gotta make sure it doesn't boil over.
Just a little bit of olive oil. Just a little.
Just a little bit. Wow.
Oh, you know, I'm making that TikTok pasta, the feta cheese one, but it's like not the feta cheese one. It's a little different.
It's better.
It's better, exactly. And we add a little bit of.
That one you have to, yeah, hit the bottom.
Not a lot. It's kind of lot. Salt. Actually, don't add salt to the pasta. I'm gonna add it to this. But Mama always adds salt to the pasta.
Yeah. There you go. Hi,
Vlogging?
my fiance's home.
Hello, hello.
How was work?
Not bad.
Did you make a lot of sales?
Kind of, it was kind of slow and then picked up. It's going on 2.
Yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here because we're hella boring, or at least I'm hella boring. We didn't even film the finished product of food because we were just hungry and we just went in and we ate. But it was really good. And now I'm just chilling and gonna relax and spend the rest of the day with my mother-in-law and watch a movie. And yeah.